Let's see this question. This question is given in GATE 2008 in the subject communication systems. Now the question is, consider the frequency modulated signal 10 cos 2 pi into 10 power 5 t plus 5 sin 2 pi into 1500 t plus 7.5 sin 2 pi into 1000 t with the carrier frequency of 10 power 5 Hz. The modulation index is, they have given the modulated FM modulated signal. They are asking the what is the modulation index. They have given 4 options, out of which we need to find the correct answer. Option A is 12.5, option B is 10, option C is 7.5 and option D is 5. Okay, now write down the given FM signal. Okay, it is given by x of t FM is equals to 10 cos 2 pi into 10 power 5 t plus 5 sin, okay, 2 pi into 1500 t plus 7.5 sin 2 pi into 1000 t. This is the given signal. Okay, now if you observe this, this is the amplitude of the carrier signal. This is the amplitude of the carrier signal. Now this is in the form of theta I of t, which means instantaneous angle. Instantaneous angle. Okay, now for calculating modulation index given by beta, we should calculate delta f by f max. This is nothing but frequency deviation of the signal. Frequency deviation of the signal by maximum frequency. Now how do we calculate the frequency deviation of the signal? Frequency deviation of the signal can be calculated by using Wi of t, which is nothing but we need to take this theta I of t, instantaneous angle, and if we derive with respect to time, which is nothing but d theta I of t by dt, we will get Wi of t. Now take the signal and differentiate with respect to time. This will be equal to d by dt of, you take the signal 5 sin 2 pi into 1500 t, okay, plus 7.5 sin 2 pi into 1000 t. Okay, now what this will be? This will be 2 pi into 1500. What is the derivative of sine? It will be cos into 5 into cos 2 pi into 1500 t, okay, plus 2 pi into 1000 into 7.5. Derivative of sine is again cos 2 pi into 1000 t. Okay, now we need to extract this W delta, that is a W delta. We get 2 pi into 1500 into 5 plus 2 pi into 1000 into 7.5. We need to take this amplitude only. Now this will be equal to 2 pi into 7500 plus 2 pi into 7500. This will be equal to 2 pi into 15,000. I think this will be visible, right? Now you need to consider, you need to find out what is the maximum frequency. Here it is 1500, here it is 1000. So from these two, whichever is greater, you need to take that FM. FM is equals to 1500. Okay. Now how we are calculating this delta F is from delta W. Delta F is equals to delta W by 2 pi. This is equal to, we have calculated delta W to be 2 pi into 15,000. 2 pi into 15,000 by 2 pi. 2 pi did cancel, it will be 15,000. That is maximum frequency deviation. Now our main intention is to calculate this modulation index given by beta. Beta is equals to delta F by F. You can say FM. This will be 15,000 by, what is the value of FM? It will be 1500. This will be 10 times. So the value of beta is equals to 10. This is how we calculate the modulation index. If you see in the options, option B, 10 is the correct answer. How we have calculated is, we have taken the given signal, okay, we have taken the given signal, we need to differentiate what is the amplitude and what is the instantaneous angle. This we can get from the standard equation of the frequency modulated signal. So we need to find out this theta of I, and this modulation index beta can be calculated by delta F by Fm, that is the frequency deviation of the signal by maximum frequency of the signal. Okay, now from this we need to get Wi of t, which is the differentiation of this thing with respect to time, differentiation of instantaneous angle with respect to time. Now if we differentiate with this, obviously the differentiation of sine will be cos, and differentiation of these things will be this. Okay, the same way for this also. Now we need to take this amplitude part, that is the magnitude part, magnitude part. In this magnitude part, whatever the maximum component, frequency component between 1500 to 1000, you need to take that as FM, and you need to simplify further to get W delta, that is deviation. Now after that you can find frequency deviation by delta W by 2 pi. This will be, you get 15,000. Now modulation index equal to delta F, frequency deviation by FM. This will be 10. This is how we calculate the answer.